Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to, this video I'm going to show you how to remove and install the upper control arms. The upper control arm is 14. The 14 socket. I got it on a swivel 3/8 impact, so and you don't have to worry about putting a wrench or anything on it. It's just a bolt that goes on each side. There's a nut welded, I guess, on the other side. So we're reusing these bolts, so garbage. I'll grab the new one. Okay. Simple, it slips right in. Tightening it, I remember where the other control arm was, so I'm gonna line it up just the same way and tighten it just in the same thing, because this control arm was way too high. Alright, that's tight. Now for the lower control arm, you have two bolts. One here, the nut's welded on. Actually no, sorry, the nut's not welded on. So you have the 17 here, and then this is a 19 over here in the corner. Alright, so hang the battery over here. And then you guys can see it from what I showed you. I get the breaker bar. The breaker bar is cracked, the 17 loose. And remember, you're reusing these bolts, so there's just a set of swivels. They're going to help you greatly when you do this. Oh, and forgot one more thing. I'll show you guys. Sway bar link. It's a 15, and on the back you could use a 14 to hold it, so you can remove this nut and it comes out. Sorry, not. Apologies, it's not a 15. It's a 17. You take the 14. Alright, and the control arm comes right out. Just wiggle it a little bit. Okay. Put the 19 back in. Tighten down the 17 first. Alright, that's done, that's done. And then we'll hit the 19. And then we'll put the sway bar link back in. Go. That's all together. Alright, easy peasy. Lower control arm, upper control arm, and I'm going to show you how the upper is supposed to look. Like that. Okay? Alright, it's not all the way up, it's not all the way down. It's like that. I mean, as far as what I remember for suspension, when you're doing upper control arms, or anything that's like loaded like this, Personally, you leave these loose, supposed to put everything back together, drop it on the ground, and you're supposed to tighten it up. But I remember how the other side looked, so I did it exactly to the other side, because when I removed the old one, it was all the way up here. Doesn't make any sense. I think they just did it wrong when they installed these shocks. But that's what you get when you do cheap. Alright guys, now stay tuned for my last video. I'm going to put all this back together and I'll show you how to do it. Alright? Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Save the video.